Welcome to my channel.
Google Pixel 7 Pro specifications leak ahead of October 6 launch. Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, powered by a second-generation Google Tensor chip, will be launched in global markets on October 6. Just days before their formal debut, complete specifications of the flagship smartphones have surfaced online. The new leak suggests a 6.7-inch display for the Pixel 7 Pro and a 6.3-inch display for the Pixel 7. The smartphones are said to have an IP68 rated build for dust and water resistance. They are said to support both wired and wireless charging. The spec sheet of Pixel 7 Pro alongside that of its vanilla sibling Pixel 7 has been leaked on /leaks. The leak reiterates the presence of next-gen Google Tensor G2 SoC and Titan M2 security coprocessor on the Google Pixel 7 series. The Pixel 7 Pro is said to offer 12GB of RAM, while the vanilla model could carry 8GB of RAM. Both smartphones are said to be available in 128GB and 256GB storage options. As per the leak, Google Pixel 7 Pro will have a 6.7-inch QHD+ LTPO display with up to 120Hz refresh rate. The Pixel 7 is said to come with a 6.3-inch Full HD+ display with up to 90Hz refresh rate. Both smartphones could include a similar rear camera setup. The Google Pixel 7 is tipped to carry a dual camera unit at the back comprising a 50-megapixel primary sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The Pixel 7 Pro, in contrast, will have a triple rear camera unit with an additional 48-megapixel telephoto camera. Both smartphones are expected to feature 10.8-megapixel sensors for their respective selfie cameras. This could translate to 11-megapixel on paper. They are expected to feature a movie motion blur camera mode, while the Pixel 7 Pro is said to offer an exclusive camera feature called macro focus and up to 5x optical zoom. Both the variants are expected to sport a fingerprint scanner and face unlock feature for authentication. They are said to have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance and could support both wired and wireless charging. The Pixel 7 series will be unveiled alongside the Pixel Watch on October 6 at the Made by Google event. The launch event will begin at 10 a.m. Eastern Time.